had this chirping sound coming from my carport around midnight every other day for over a month. I'd hear that chirping and I'd grab my flashlight and run out there hoping to catch that bird and scare it off. I never found the bird. I said, what's going on here? And last night the chirping started again. I went out there with my flashlight, looking around. I couldn't find a bird. But for some reason I pointed up to the carport rafters and there was a gecko. That's a Florida lizard up there. And I shooed it away, and then I came back in and I looked up. Can a gecko make chirping sounds? Yes, they can. I found it.